Did you know that you can use smileys and icons in your Power BI report? And you can, for example, create a star rating like this or a unicorn rating like this. Maybe not for your business report, but it is possible. And I want to show you how you can do this yourself. One important note, what I'm going to show you is like really simple DAX. So it will convert something like 3 out of 5 rating to 3 stars that are filled in 2 empty stars, or 3 unicorns and 2 horses. It will not provide you with like half unicorns or like half stars. It's either one or the other. But I think it's still nice to know, and it's really easy to implement. So let's go into Power BI. In my Power BI environment, you see I already have an average rating here of 3, and I already created a star and a unicorn score. I will first show you the star one, and the DAX to use this is this. And I will put all the measures in the description so you can just copy them. What does it actually do? We have this REPT, repetition of a UNICHAR character. And this one is the filled star and this one is the empty star. You can look that up online if you're searching for this. What does it do? It repeats this star 3 times because our rating is 3. And what does it do then? It repeats the empty star 5 minus the amount we had. So 3, so we get 2 empty stars. So this is like really, really basic DAX and really basic measure. But using this, you can create something like this, like the star rating. And this is so intuitive to look at, especially when you look into a rating, like a team rating, performance rating, these kind of things, than just a number. And now, if you wonder, how can I replace the stars with the unicorns and the horses? It's actually this measure. And now, if you wonder, how did you get that unicorn in there? It's actually, if you click somewhere and you press the Windows key on your keyboard and the dot, you will get an option of all kinds of smileys that you can put in there. You could also put in the stars or something else. And then the logic is exactly the same as for the stars. You repeat the amount of unicorns and the amount of horses, depending on the rating, or 5 minus the rating, if the top is 5, of course. And I know probably no one's waiting for unicorn score in their financial Power BI report, but I think it's a nice thing to know. It's a nice gimmick, and maybe for your team report, this works out. So I hope this helps. Let me know if you've used something like this before.